Hi, this is Katja from Eastern Japan. Today I'm showing you our MicroVice sample holder for your microscope. This sample holder was designed to hold all different kinds of samples in exactly the desired position under your microscope. So samples such as tablets or little weirdly shaped three-dimensional objects, which are usually very difficult to hold under the microscope, fibers and hair samples, and very important, multi-layer films, paper samples, laminates. All these kind of samples can be easily held with a MicroVice sample holder. So we have different kind of MicroVice sample holders with different backplates to fit exactly on the stage of your specific microscope. We also have a smaller version, that's the MicroVice Mini. And of course, we have different kind of clamps to hold all these different kind of samples. So these are the standard clamps. They have cushioning here to protect your sample. Then we do have those little clamping plates to hold fibers, hair samples, films, like you can see here. And then we have, especially for the multi-layer films, the slice IR clamps. With these clamps, you can hold your multi-layer film in an angle and then perform a cross-section with a razor blade. Set the whole thing on the stage of your ATR microscope and analyze the cross-section right there with your ATR objective. As you hold the film in an angle, the surface of the cross-section is larger, and so are the various layers of the film. So you can easily analyze all the different kind of layers of your film. The handling of the MicroVice is super easy, of course. You just have to turn the thumb screws to open and close the clamps. Very easy. You exchange the clamps with these little screws here, and then you can also correct the sample orientation, the angle of the sample orientation by turning these little screws. And you set the whole thing on the stage of your microscope. That's it. Let me know if you have questions. I'm always happy to personally answer all your questions. Thank you very much. Goodbye.